Good morning, loves. Today is Thursday, y'all. I did not go door knock yesterday. I didn't pass out flyers. I didn't do any of that. So that's the goal for today. So I'm about to go to work and officially have 1 week and 1 day left before I won't be working there anymore. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty go. Got that ass to flow. Off work and headed to happy hour.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Well.
Happy hour was so much fun, you guys. Y'all, I had 2 margaritas. No, I had 1 margarita and 1 cocktail, and it was so fun. Like, it was so fun. But I'm on my way home. I need to print out the letters so I can go door knock. Y'all, I got another open house opportunity. Don't play with it. Don't play with me. I have an open house opportunity event for tomorrow. It's in Denver, North Carolina. The home was built in 2018. It is a 2-bedroom property, but it has lake access. Like, it's very, very close to the lake. So the new homeowner will be able to go boating, fishing, water sports, water activities, and whatever. So I'm really excited about that open house event. And then y'all already know from my last vlog that I was working on the open house event for this Saturday as well. So I got 2. We got 2 that we got to prepare for. So yeah, I'm about to go home and try to work on that. And y'all watch my last vlog from yesterday. Y'all, that spaghetti was dry. I only had like 1 can of marinara, tomato sauce, whatever you want to call it, and it just wasn't giving. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. It was giving very much dry, very much parched, very much you need some more sauce. So I need to go to the grocery store to pick up some more tomato sauce to like mix in there so it can have some more, you know, juice, a little bit more flavor, and go from there. So I'll catch up with y'all in a bit. Good morning. Today is Friday. I have not been able to just like tackle my goals this week every day. From Wednesday, I believe, Wednesday and Thursday, my goal was to get out to the neighborhoods that I am having an open house event in to door knock. But every day when I get home, it's just something new. And then now that the weather or season is changing, it's starting to get dark sooner. So I need to get a hold on this somehow, some way. I think it's going to be a lot better when I go full time because I'll have the days to get this kind of stuff done versus like coming home. Maybe I shouldn't have went out to that happy hour. That's what it was. I should not have went out to that happy hour with my coworkers yesterday. So that's all on me. But today is now the day of the open house event. So I'm going to actually get off work just a little bit early. I have my signs in the trunk, so I'll go drop the signs today, and then the open house starts at 6 and then it'll be over at 8. So I have everything set to go in a car already, so I won't have to like stop home. And then because I didn't door knock yesterday, I did print out like some letters. I'll show y'all what those look like and what those say a little bit later. But I did print out like some letters. But yeah, I look cute. I just got on this black blouse. I got the same earrings that I had on yesterday. And then I have my favorite black slacks on. I'm headed to work. Y'all know I've been counting down the days for my last day or whatever. We officially have 1 week left. Next Friday is my last day, September 29th. So I'm so excited, y'all. Let's get the day going. Today is going to be a good day. Today we're going to knock out our goals. Today we're going to pass out some flyers for our business, and we're just going to get it done. y'all, it's almost time for the open house. It's currently 4:53 p.m. and the open house starts at 6. So I wanted to show y'all the letter that I printed last night. I literally just got to the house and this is the front of the house. It sits on a little over 3/4 of an acre. So yeah, let's go take a look inside. So as soon as you come inside of the house, this is going to be the front door and you have your dining room area. You do have vaulted ceilings downstairs. And I feel like the pictures does this home no justice. It looks so much better, feels so much better in person. Like, it's so homey. And then moving along to the kitchen, it is a very nice intimate kitchen. It feels so cozy in here though. You do have a built-in microwave, your refrigerator, double oven, some additional space up top. And then I love this pot and pan rack right above the flat top stove. And then you have some built-ins for your seasonings. Very nice. You have a dishwasher as well with the trash compactor and your nice farmhouse sink, and it does overlook this shed area, so that's all really nice. This home was originally a 1-bedroom home. At some point the seller did decide to add additional living space, so this is pretty much like the main primary bedroom. Has a bunch of lights, as you can see, with all the windows, which is really nice. Pretty good space. And then if we come around, you have a full bath on this lower level. To your left is a closet. This is going to be the full bath with the soaking tub. So very homey, very, very homey. As you can see, the home was built in 2018. Over here, this is technically the laundry room, washer dryer. That is a water treatment system. And then you also have a water heater. She does have a deep freezer in here as well. This was the space that was added on. Pretty much like a bonus sunroom area. It does have electrical in this space, which is really nice. You can see the lights, ceiling fans. Is someone at the door? Oh, that's the clock. Let's go upstairs. From upstairs, this is the view for downstairs with the living room and dining room area. Everything is open, so this is like a mini loft. There's just some seating here. And this is the second bedroom that was added on. They actually just received a certificate of occupancy for this space. And then there's a half bath in this room with a sink and a toilet. No shower. And then the very last addition to this house. Y'all, a spider was on me. The very last addition to this house is like this office area. This is considered a bonus flex room. It also have a bunch of lighting, which I love. They couldn't count this as a 3-bedroom just because the septic can only accommodate 2 bedrooms. So with that being said, it is considered a 2-bed, 1.5 bath with a bonus flex space. And this home is priced at $549,000. I'm currently at the open house. The time is 7 o'clock. So far, I have not received one visitor. The home is located, like I can see the lake from where I am, but it's very like remote and it's not in a subdivision. It's definitely in the cut. So very low visibility. And today was the home's first day on the market. So usually like the first day is like a lot of people, a lot of like action, but so far, crickets. I just finished the open house event. I will never probably do another open house event that late at night again without somebody being there with me. We did not end up having anyone else who came. I'm on the way to go get my son, and then I'm gonna drop the open house signs for tomorrow's open house, because tomorrow the open house starts at 11 o'clock. So I want the signs to be in tonight, so that way tomorrow morning we can just basically show up. Meeting a family to pick up my son. So he's asleep in a car. So he knocked out in the back seat. I am going to end the vlog here. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. See y'all tomorrow. Shawty made that type, she don't need no flow. High fashion, I go, yo. G-Wagon, for the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty go.